Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get it started. Gold, let me go there. Now I have a couple of charts made. One is daily chart, which is this one. Right. So this is what I see and what I think that this is what's happening if we stay on track. Right now, what we are doing is we are in a very nasty triangle, right? Triangles are always, pain in the neck. And there you can see here the, wobbling after, nicely trending as wave three, then it falls in like ABC ABC C, and D, and E. And this is how usually it ends up. This is called a contracting triangle, right? So it's just A, B, C, D, E, five legs in wave four. And after that, it breaks out for wave five in the direction of the previous trend and in the direction of wave three, which is this. So it was up, then sideways, wave four, triangle, five legs, finish, and then go to the upside. That's exactly what it did here. We have one, two, three, four, five legs, and then it's gonna break out, but obviously it will go in like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave pattern, fashion, and this is how it always move, right? So I see, I think that this could be the wave one and then wave two, and still respecting the TL that is creating connecting these two the lowest points, and not lowest, but yeah, those 2 points, and then if this is you see that it touches the TL and then trying to hold above it. So if we bounce from here, then this is what we are going to be doing. And if not, it can drop, yes, because after the triangle, anything can happen nowadays. Things are very, very shaky. A lot is happening in geopolitical area, and anything can happen anytime. But this is what the technicals are calling for, right? So this is the Elliott wave, drama here, right? Now, and I applied, several different approaches, right? So if you look at the harmonic pattern and Elliott wave is the harmonic pattern, which is basically the, Fibonacci mumbo jumbo, right? Fibonacci levels, what comes after this. So see, if you draw the fib from here to here, you can see that we went straight up and touched 78% before we made the turn. So 78% is another point. So if we say this is point number one, point number two, point number three, and then point number four, we are trying to stop at 38%. So from 78 to 38, I would say that, first turn to 78, then second turn to 38. Usually the third turn comes to what it goes up and make the turn, and then it goes to 127 or 161. And this is what it usually make, like something like this. You can see that the move is XA, it's a main move, and then the first pullback is straight up to 78%, then it dropped either 38% or 23%. Mostly 80% of the time from 78, it comes down and bounces from 38, mostly. Right. So this is what we exactly doing here right now. If you look at the 4 hour in the 4 hour chart, in this drama, we can see on a 4 hour chart, which is like this, right? So this is X, A, and then B, and then you can see the B exactly at 78%. We made the turn from there, and then we came back down here to 38%, tried to bounce, then came back, tried to bounce, then came back, tried to bounce, then came back, and then we are still above 38%. So we are constantly getting rejection from the bottom, right? And we are still above 33. This area is 38%, it's 33.33, but we have a level 33.33 as well as 33.31. So I think that if we can stay above 33.31, and then if I find my long entry, then I will take it. And this is how I have the chart made. Let me see. This basically now another thing that we need to be, very, very like cautious about this butterfly pattern. But if only we bounce from here, what if something happened out there and then we start to drop straight line? That would be something like this. So instead of bouncing from here and then go to the upside, we can just simply drop here, right? And this is basically you all know that the market moved because of the fundies, not technical analysis, right? Technical analysis just tell us that from what point we might be making a turn and then what point we were going to. That's all. But why we are going to go to the upside, why we are going to go down to the downside, it all depends on fundies, right? So, nobody knows. Nobody has the crystal ball to see what kind of funding we're going to get today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, or what new geopolitical events are about to happen, right? Recently, we had, over the weekend, I guess, Putin and before the last Friday, right? Trump and Putin met, and what happened in between them, and what is going to come out, we have no idea, right? And then things will happen, and anything happen in that arena, we get the side effect, right? So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So be careful about this area, 38%. So like I said, that 33, 33, 33, 31, very, very crucial moment here. Either we're going to go start dropping, but see, even if you drop, we're going to drop here and then go up. We make like could be wave one, two, or A, B, most likely wave one, two, and then so if it is gonna start dropping, then I will say that let it go, or maybe I'll see that if I can get a good entry. But my entry comes from 1,000 box size chart, right? What happened is that this is the 1,000 box size chart, right? And every time it makes the turn from a level, for example, earlier this morning. I draw the fib from here to here. So it was here. And then see exactly at 61%, it made the reversal candle. At that time, it started beeping, right? I have an alarm that, notify me when I have a reversal candle. Right after the reversal candle at a level, then I have to look for my entry. So I simply drop my row bar to take the entry if it presents itself, right? So what happened right from here after that, below 33, 52, I had my entry, and here it is. Okay. Around 33, 47. In fact, my entry came like 40. Yeah, around between 33, 46, 47. Right. That's exactly after this reversal candle happened on the 1,000 box size, 150 right there at the entry. See this little arrow? That is my SAM gold, oil and gold. Oil, I stopped trading, but I specifically made this one for oil and gold both together, and because they have different box sizes and different rules than the forex pair, right? So sell order is right there. You can see how nicely after the reversal candle, right? This reversal candle. Now I'm expecting a reversal candle. If we bounce from here, this is, I just showed you 33, 31, and it is, let me see here. See, this is 33, 31, and we are sitting here. So if I get a reversal candle there, and then start to go up right there, I will find my long entry. And then after that, if really this is going to happen, imagine for the next whole month or maybe more, I'll be just going long, long, long. And I'll go short, long both, but whenever it goes up and then comes down a little bit for retracement, then you can, take a short there. But this is why, what I think right now that it is happening. And let's see if I'm right or wrong. But this a small area you can see also XA, then B is 61%, then C should be bouncing from 23% line, but it came down a little bit more so that it can touch probably this 30 to 31, and it did right already. And if you bounce from here, this could be a very nice C point, and then D should end 78%. That would be, again, Gertley pattern, which will be not this one, sorry. I don't have it here it open, but I can just show you 61, 23, 78 makes what? Makes this pattern here. This one. You see 61, the first pullback after X is 61, 23, or even if it's, it goes down a little bit more, but as long as it stays above A, in this case here, if it stays above this low, this is X, this is A, and make the reversal candle and the long, then I can say that, okay, it will easily go at least to 78, and based on this 4 hour, it can go much higher, and based on daily, forget about that, right? So, so that would be, it's like going to the upside 78%, then maybe drop here a little bit, and then from 33, 52, well, that would be like this could be wave 1, 2, then followed by wave 3, and then wave 4, and then wave 5, and then, so on and so forth, right? So this is what I'm looking at it. But if for some reason, if USD start to get very strong, which is why, my US dollar index chart saying that it might get strong. So in that scenario, we're going to drop, and then the scenario will change to this. Instead of going to the upside right from here, We will start this on 1,000 box size. We are just below 23% line actually, right? You can see it. So this one, and then it may just not bounce from here, but go down. Right. So very important to see that if I can get a reversal candle above 33, 31, and then, like I said, that from this, and, it is like a confirmation. 80% time, it's right on the dot. If you have a confirmation, if you play by the rules. So I'm not going to assume that it's going to bounce or drop and then open the trade on the assumption, but I will wait for my reversal candle, and that gives me a heads up. And then, even then, I need a follow through, and then the price go up and then give me a long setup. All the conditions are there. Only then I'll open the trade. Just like this one, right? After this reversal candle, I open this trade here. You see that? This is the yellow below the black. This is up, blah, blah, blah. All the conditions are met. And a robot automatically, I don't even have to do it. I just have to drop the robot, and then it takes the trade, right? If after the reversal candle, by the way, not before, because you may not have a reversal candle. It may continue going up and then drop here and then go up and then up and up, right? So, you don't get it. Then I will put the robot for long only. This one, I place it for short only, and then it drop here, right? So this is how you play with this long only and short only. We have options in this, a robot, right? So if you're interested to get this robot or this system, then go on my website and then, take it from there. Everything is available there, right? And this is it for now. So let's see what gold is about to do, and if we can stay above 33.31 and then go up. And tonight I may get my long entry, and then I'll show you my long trade tomorrow. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.